Okay, hi guys, and you could call me Albert, or you could call me Berber, or you could call me, you could call me that. And my real name's Alberto, but I don't like that name. I like Albert better and Berber better. So, but it'll be okay if you guys call me Alberto. And guys, today I'm gonna unbox a Nerf gun, and it's the Jolt. It's the Jolt, and it's green. Well, I went to I bought this at Walgreens, but I already opened the. I have the orange one, but I already opened it, and but they didn't have the blue one, so that's why I only got the orange one and the green one. And guys, now it's time to unbox it. And guys, I opened it already. You could see it's already out of the package, and it's the Jolt. It's the green Jolt.
How does it work?
You pull this down, guys, and fire. I'm gonna shoot it again, guys, and after I shoot it again, I'm gonna end the video, okay, guys? Bye, guys. And that was an unboxing of the Jolt. It's the green Jolt. And bye, guys.